Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in to this week's market outlook from Exness. Here we're giving an idea for a possible trade over the next few days. But before that, let's look back at the performance of the previous week's idea. The idea last week was a possible buy for Bitcoin around $26,000 with a possible target around $29,000. This idea hasn't been triggered, but it's possible that it could still be valid, so it's important to watch Bitcoin around American PC on Friday and this weekend to see whether the idea could possibly be triggered. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Manager at Exness, and joining me today to give the idea for the trade for this week is Andreas Temostokleus, Trading Specialist. Thanks very much, Andreas, for being here.
Thank you, Michael. Thanks for inviting me.
What are you looking at this week, Andreas? What do you think is a possible position?
So my thoughts for this week is on crude oil for a potential long position with a target around the $75 area, with a possibility of a minor retracement around the $72 area before continuing and reaching the potential target of 75.
So what do you think are the potential narratives that are going to be driving the move up by oil?
Okay, so three main narratives. The first of all, we have supply disruptions in Turkey. They had an issue getting crude oil from Kurdistan, which was the consent of Baghdad was needed to export the oil. Data from American Petroleum Institute, the API, showing decreased oil stocks, oil inventories in the United States, indicating that we might see a slight increase in demand from the States, therefore boosting the price of crude oil in the short term. And on the demand side, we have China's crude oil imports showing slight increases for 2023. The forecast for 2023, an increase of more than 6%, according to China National Petroleum Corporation.
And this is a relatively quiet week in terms of economic data, but is there anything coming out the next couple of days that traders might want to be aware of if they were to have a position for crude oil?
Yeah, not a busy week indeed, but we have personal income and personal expenditure coming up on Friday 31st at 12:30 p.m. GMT. Both figures are expected to show a decline of 0.2 and 0.3% respectively month over month for the month of February. And also core personal expenditure, the PCE, again on the same day on Friday at 12:30 p.m. GMT. On the same day, Friday, March 31st at 12:30 p.m. GMT, we have the core PCE figure coming from the United States, which also the market consensus is for a slight decline, which is essentially bearish news for the dollar and therefore boosting furthermore the price of crude oil, at least in the short term.
In summary then, the possible idea for a trade this week is a move up by crude oil, which might reach up to $76. And the primary narratives driving that are expected higher demand from China, supply disruptions in Iraqi Kurdistan, and the drop in inventories in the USA. And the main events on the economic calendar to be watched by traders this week, if they were to take the position, are personal income and personal spending from the USA and personal consumption expenditures also from the USA, both taking place on Friday. So thanks very much for joining us for this video, and thanks very much in particular, Andreas, for giving the idea.
Thank you, everyone. Remember, this is not a recommendation or advice. This is just a trading idea. Always do your own research and always manage your risk.